Dear ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial you will find the information about removing ationmultinal.info pop-up windows that display pretty misleading information. For example, this alert: to download the file, click Allow. So obviously this is the trick that the authors of this website try to make you obey, because clicking on the Allow button is a serious mistake. It may result in hijacking of your browser, meaning that you will be permanently forwarded to the great number of third-party websites of very bad reputation. Therefore, we recommend you not to click on the Allow button, but if you have done that by mistake, watch carefully my explanation of what needs to be done to deactivate such pop-ups. Go to the browser menu, click on Settings. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page, Advanced, Site Settings and Notifications. Examine this area, especially the Allow section, and you will find this website ationmultinal.info. You need to click here and select Remove. After this is done, these pop-ups should no longer attack your screen. However, I also recommend that you scan your Mac computer with the reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac, you may download it through the website combocleaner.com with the help of this green Download Combo Cleaner button. And after you download it, start the program from your launchpad. This is the way the software looks like. The program has got two versions, the trial one and the premium version. The premium one is the version that comes with the antivirus. By the way, the antivirus databases of Combo Cleaner are regularly updated, at least every day. And this is done to make sure that all the malware and adware is properly detected on your computer. So after this is done, click on Start Combo Scan button to initiate the scanning process. And after the threads are found, you may remove them either manually or automatically with the help of the premium version of this software. Thanks for watching.